Alright, so I got all the pieces in. See one down there. Got the one in the front. Got one on the other side. And we got one on the back. On top of the bumper that they have there already. It's hard to get back there. But, so I'll put it on top. But, let's see how it goes. Doesn't wobble too much. I'm just worried about maybe all the rubbing is gonna rub the tape. But see how long that lasts. Doesn't wobble a lot. Because it had nothing to do with the bouncing up and down. When you push up and down, it wasn't that for the springs. So let's see how we do. Keep you posted.